Hi, I want to share with you my own experience, the best platform in the best CRM software category. Because there are so many options on the market, we researched and has analyzed many of the leading platforms. We came up with the best choice after considering several factors, including the cost of each CRM. Keep watching to learn more about the essential thing to consider when choosing CRM software. Also, press subscribe to our channel and press like.
Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we invite you to delve into the fascinating world of SugarCRM, a powerful customer relationship management CRM software that can significantly transform how you conduct your business. In an era where customer relationships are paramount, having the right tools at your disposal is crucial for success. If you are looking for a solution to optimize your customer interactions and enhance your business processes, you have found precisely what you were searching for. SugarCRM is a flexible and scalable platform designed to support businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools that allows organizations to manage their customer relationships effectively. With its user-friendly interface and extensive capabilities, SugarCRM empowers companies to improve sales management, customer service, and marketing efforts. You will gain access to an intuitive interface that simplifies processes and boosts your team's productivity. One of the standout features of SugarCRM is its scalability. As your business grows, SugarCRM can grow alongside it. Its flexible architecture allows for the addition of new features and tools, making it an ideal choice for companies planning to expand. Whether you're adding new team members or branching into new markets, SugarCRM can adapt to your evolving needs. Every business has unique needs, and SugarCRM recognizes that. The platform offers a wide range of customization options to cater to your organization's specific requirements. You can configure processes to fit your workflow, create tailored reports that highlight key metrics, and integrate additional modules that enhance your capabilities. This level of personalization ensures that SugarCRM becomes an integral part of your business operations. In today's data-driven world, insights are invaluable. SugarCRM comes equipped with powerful analytics tools that enable you to gain deep insights into customer behavior and preferences. You can assess the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, track sales performance, and analyze customer interactions to make informed, data-driven decisions. This information is crucial for refining your strategies and ensuring that you're meeting your customers' needs effectively. Seamless integration is vital for streamlining business processes. SugarCRM easily integrates with other business systems and applications, allowing you to keep all your information in one centralized location. This feature minimizes the time spent transferring data between different platforms, ensuring that your team has quick access to the information they need to serve customers effectively. Collaboration is at the heart of any successful organization. SugarCRM facilitates enhanced collaboration among team members by providing tools that enable real-time communication and sharing of information. Whether you're working in sales, marketing, or customer service, SugarCRM ensures that everyone is on the same page, leading to improved teamwork and better outcomes for your customers. SugarCRM provides a wide range of features that can help your team reach new heights in customer relationship management. Store all your customer information in one place. With SugarCRM, you can easily track communications and interactions, enabling your team to provide personalized service that fosters loyalty and trust. Launch automated campaigns to engage your audience effectively. With the ability to segment your audience based on various criteria, you can tailor your messaging to resonate with specific groups, increasing your chances of conversion. Monitor your team's performance with real-time dashboards and reports. SugarCRM allows you to evaluate deal outcomes, identify trends, and determine the most successful strategies for boosting sales, giving your business a competitive edge. Deliver exceptional customer service by utilizing issue and support management features. SugarCRM enables faster problem resolution and helps you maintain a high level of customer satisfaction, which is essential for building long-term relationships. In today's fast-paced environment, having access to your CRM on the go is essential. SugarCRM offers mobile solutions that allow your team to stay connected and manage customer relationships from anywhere, ensuring that you're always ready to respond to customer needs. SugarCRM is a powerful tool for any business seeking to enhance customer relationships and optimize processes. With its unique features, customization options, and integration capabilities, SugarCRM can help you achieve new heights in your business. The ability to tailor the platform to your specific needs, combined with its robust analytical tools, makes it an invaluable asset in today's competitive landscape. As we explore the numerous advantages of using SugarCRM, we invite you to consider how it can transform your approach to customer relationship management. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest videos on modern technologies and tools that can improve your business. Join us on this journey to discover how SugarCRM can be the game changer your business needs.